Today we are channeling spring. I am loving this glowy pink makeup look, and guess what? I used all affordable products found on Walmart. Thank you to Walmart for sponsoring this video. I really wanted to show you guys that you don't have to spend a ton of money to still get amazing makeup looks, and I'm using a bunch of kind of the viral trending products on their website. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. We're gonna start with the most important thing to getting that glowy skin, which is our skin prep. And now that Walmart is carrying K-Beauty on their website, I've been trying a couple things. I love K-Beauty skincare. I feel like they have some of the best ingredients and the prices are pretty affordable too. I love to start with a little cooling eye patch just because I have the worst puffiness in the mornings. I'm using these from the brand Be Once, and so these are going to really start depuffing that under eye. They're very cooling, so they feel so good in the morning, and they truly make such a difference before your makeup prep. I don't use these every single day, but when I have something important going on that I want to look my best, or I just maybe do it like maybe once or twice a week for some extra treatment. And while those are sitting, I like to leave them on for like 10-15 minutes. I'm going to go in with my moisturizer for the day because even though I am oily, it is so important to start out with a moisturized base, because if you don't moisturize, your oily skin can actually produce more oil because it's not hydrated enough. I'm using the Centella cream from Skin 1004. They have some really great moisturizers, again, for oily skin that are nice and thin. So this feels almost like a gel consistency, so it's really lightweight. I've actually been using this brand's sunscreen for a while, so I was really excited that Walmart started carrying their moisturizer as well. And then last step, I'm kind of using this as like a primer. I like to use more moisturizing serums instead of primers to really prep the skin and make your skin glowy before you put on your makeup. This is from Vitamass, super affordable. They're coming out with even more skincare soon that are supposed to be similar to high-end brands. I'm so excited because I truly feel skincare does not need to be so expensive. So we're using their Dewy Glow Hydrate Serum. This is really going to make our skin look like glass, or as Shelly Ann would say, you want your skin to look like you could go ice skating on it before you put on your makeup. This also has a little tack to it, so it's really going to help our foundation stick. So now we're going to marinate in the skincare for a little bit, and then we'll start applying our makeup. Now that the skin's all marinated, we can just peel these off and dispose, and our eyes look so much better. A concealer is going to lay much better on top of this. Now we can get onto the makeup stuff. I have been loving this Maybelline Lifter foundation. It's the Plump and Glow version. If you guys want a little bit of a nice natural glowy foundation, this is the one. This one just sits on the skin so nice. It's not sparkly and it's not like oily looking, so it's like the one luminous foundation I can do with my oily skin, as long as I am making sure I set with a good mattifying powder and I use a really good setting spray. I mean, look at that. It's like my skin, but just a little bit better. I picked up this eyeshadow palette from the brand Revolution, which they've been starting to sell a lot of their stuff on Walmart, and this definitely looks comparable to a certain high-end brand. It has the powders and the two cream shadows. I'm sure you can guess what this is going for, but I just feel like these rosy pinky tones are so perfect for spring. It's just giving coquette floral, so I want to do a fun look with this palette today. I'm going to start with this peachy matte here and put this in the crease. Peach and pink are always my go-to colors for springtime, and this one is really nice and blendable. There's a little bit of powder kick up, but that usually means it blends really great, so I'm not too mad about it. We're gonna do this darker, it's like a cool, almost purpley brown in the outer corner, just taking a little bit on my brush. I want this to still be a pretty soft look, so I'm just gonna use as little as possible and really focus on blending into that outer corner and focusing any excess product on my lower lash line to really tie in that smoked effect. And for the shimmer, we'll use this fun marbled shade all over the lid. That is such a pretty color. If you're looking for a nice pop of color, I feel like this palette is stunning. I am going to take a little bit of this almost duochrome shimmer right on top just to lighten it up a little. And that actually adds a lot of sparkle. That is so pretty. that truly changed the whole look. And that is it for the eyes. I don't think I'm gonna do any eyeliner today. I wanna keep it natural, but we are gonna conceal. This is still one of my favorite brightening concealers, the Maybelline Eraser. And I use the shade 160, which has a little bit of pink to it. You can kind of see it's pink, but it's not too dark, so it's really gonna brighten. I've tried some high-end, like, correcting brightening concealers, but this one still takes the cake, especially if you have more fair skin like I do. Because a lot of them can run a little too deep, and then you're kind of defeating the purpose of the brightening effect. Let's set that with the NYX Wonder Snatch Pink Brightening Powder. Look how blurring that is. One of the best brow gels. We got the Super Lock from Maybelline. A fluffy brow is so pretty, especially in the springtime. You just kind of get that more natural look, and this will give some extra volume and hold. I don't do my brows too crazy fluffed up, but I just like a little bit of push up so that they look nice and thick. And for mascara, I do love the new L'Oreal Extensionist. This is so good. It gives amazing length to the lashes, and it's one of those mascaras that you can keep building up and it never gets clumpy. It separates so well because it has that really nice thin wand, so it's gonna coat every lash and make your lashes look so long. And no transferring with this one either. I have the worst trouble with that. Again, oily skin, so sometimes when I'm like looking down, my top lashes will transfer. It does not smudge or transfer or flake. So it's truly the best of the best. I mean, look at this before and after. I am so excited about this new bronzer from Physicians Formula. They came out with this ginormous cream bronzer that looks, again, very similar to a certain high-end brand. There is only one shade in the line. It's just called the Sun Blur Glow Activated Bronzing Balm. It actually does not smell like their typical bronzers. I know usually Physicians Formula is known for those really strong smelling, almost like coconutty smelling bronzers. This one does not have a scent to it. You get so much product in here. It's 30 grams. It definitely looks like it's on the warmer side, but I love a nice cream bronzer for that more glowy natural makeup look for spring. So I'm just gonna dip my brush in here and apply some on my hand. This is the most natural way to make sure your brush is fully coated so you're not getting any like patchy spots, and then we'll just go straight onto the cheeks. Okay, that looks really good. I am very impressed so far. This looks exactly like the high-end one. And it does have a little bit of a glow to it, but it's not like straight shimmer. Again, it's just gonna give that natural glow. I am so impressed with this. This is definitely gonna be a new cream bronzer favorite. It was so easy to apply. It took like 3 seconds, and it is the perfect neutral tone, especially if you have more fair light skin. I would say I kind of wish they had another shade in the line for more medium and deeper skin tones, since Physicians Formula, they don't always have the best shade range, but I do truly love how this color looks on me. And I have struggled lately with finding a good bronzer because everything has been so warm lately, and I'm actually surprised that this is pretty neutral. For blush, Milani reformulated their baked blushes. I think they added more skincare ingredients, and they're supposed to be more long wearing, but these have always been a hit, but I have heard they are back and better than ever. So we're going in with their classic pink called Dulce Pink, which is going to go so well with our eye look. Now, I love a powder blush, especially a glowy one, because you kind of get the glow, but also you get the longevity, whereas maybe a cream blush isn't going to last as long. They give a nice glow, but these are kind of like a blush highlight in one. And it is really pigmented, actually. That looks so pretty though. It truly does match our eyeshadow. I really like this more cooler one too, called Pink Panna Cotta. I think that's a new one, but I just figured Dulce Pink would go the best with our current eye look. But yeah, these are so easy to apply on the skin, and since they have that natural glow to them, I feel like they blend out really easily. So far, I mean, that's beautiful. I would not be able to tell the difference between this and a high-end blush because this performs like high-end to me. For the lips, I want something really natural to outline. I'm going to use this Revlon Photo Ready. It's the Instant Blur Liner, and I really like the L'Oreal ones too. These are currently sold out because these have been going super viral, but I've heard that these are just a little bit more natural, which I'm totally okay with. So let's go ahead and put this on just for a little outline here. This is in the shade Dewy. And yeah, it's definitely a lot more natural. These seem very hydrating though, but I just want a little something that's not gonna take over the color. So this is perfect, just to give us a little extra shape and fullness. So that's how Dewy looks. That's actually really pretty by itself too, like the perfect light pink. I know the L'Oreal ones run really warm, so maybe like if you're wanting something a little more cool tone, this is really nice. And then of course we want glowing lips. I really like these from e.l.f. They are the Glow Reviver Slip Sticks. I'm gonna use Pink Me Energy. Hopefully this isn't too bright. Look how shiny that is. It is like a lip gloss in a lipstick form, and the color is perfect. I was worried if it would be a little too coral, but I really like that actually with this full pink look. I mean, look how shiny that is on the lips. I really like that combo with the Revlon. And of course, since we have a lot of glowy products going on, we really need to lock it in, especially for me because I get very oily. So the best setting spray that you can find on Walmart is going to be this bad boy right here, the L'Oreal 3-Second Setting Mist. Yes, it does seem like you're putting hairspray on the face, but it truly holds your makeup like hairspray. And they recently came out with the Big Daddy bottle, so very excited. You just want to make sure you don't breathe during that process. But it locks my makeup in like nothing I've ever tried. So here's the finished look. We are looking so fresh and bright and just vibrant, giving all the pink vibes, ready for spring and some warmer weather, which we are getting this week. I am so excited here in the Midwest. I don't know how you guys handled all that snow on the East Coast because that was crazy. Over here, we only got a little bit. We did get some rain, but it has been so cold, so I'm ready for 60 degrees tomorrow. But this is such a good routine using some of the hyped new products that you can find all on Walmart at affordable prices. I don't think anything we use is over $20 today. I think the most expensive is probably the Physicians Formula bronzer, but it is a steal as to what it is compared to. So I am loving how this turned out. Let me know if you guys try any of these products. I will have links for everything in the description box so you can check them out on Walmart as well. If you guys have any other makeup looks, makeup ideas you want to see from me, please let me know, or different products you would like to see it tested out. I would love to do that for you. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.